And today we will taking a look at some beautiful YSL clutches. So, ta-da! Here she is. This is the Lynette Y clutch by YSL, right? So this is a vintage piece, right? And she is manufactured in actually 2001. So that makes her 21 years old. And honestly, her quality is still so good. Look at the gold hardware, it's so stunning. And this is a textured leather. She is like a dark brown in color kind of vibe, and honestly so stunning. So I went to the YSL store looking for a nice clutch because I don't own many clutches, and I really couldn't find a new one that I loved. So I started looking on the pre-love market, and I absolutely fell in love with this Lynette Y clutches because they are so stunning, and I don't think like they will ever go out of style. They're classic, right? So this is the interior. This is a satin interior, and you can see the YSL logo, and there's actually a serial number in here, but you can't really see it right now, okay? In here, okay? So as you can see, very stunning. And yeah, and you know, you just carry it like this. Oh my gosh, so pretty. So I absolutely love this clutch. So this was my first purchase of the Lynette clutch and the Y clutch, and I absolutely loved it that much that I was on the lookout for another one. And I wasn't too sure what color to get, and when I saw this other one that is very stunning as well, equally stunning, ta-da! So this is like a neutral shade, okay, and this leather is slightly different. It is more like a smooth leather, okay, and this was manufactured in 2013, and when it was 2013, YSL changed its logo to Saint Laurent, okay? They dropped the Saint Laurent, the spot, so it became Saint Laurent. So hence thereafter, all the bags have named Saint Laurent. So you can see, okay? And there's also a serial number inside. And this one is actually like a suede interior, okay? She is 2013, so that makes her about 17 years old. Still very good. No color transfer whatsoever. So you can take a peek at both the items, and you know, you can see the difference, okay? So there we go. Let's put my finger on the side so you can see. All right, it's a very good size, and yeah, so this one is 21 years old and this is 17. All right, so I'm also still on the lookout for other colors. I am going to collect a range of YSL clutches, and I particularly like this Y clutch. So I'm on the lookout for maybe a colored one, a purple, a red, and if I do find one, it will definitely be a collector's item in my closet. So yeah, ladies, gentlemen, if you're looking for a YSL clutch, I recommend going on the online store or any pre-love boutiques, and you know, scour out for some pretty good deals. Like those bags probably cost me roughly around 1,200 dirhams, which is about 400 Sing, 300 USD. Very good bargains. And while I was looking at the YSL bags, I couldn't help but fall in love with this very special find, and it is a Mombasa bag by YSL. How pretty and stunning. So this is a sequin and satin bag, and it comes with a little horn handle, and you can see it's so stunning, and the little YSL logo here. Okay, so I fell in love with this pretty. She was going up for like some ridiculous amount, like 70% off or something, and I got her for like, I think 600 dirhams, 200 Sing, 100 plus USD. And these are all genuine items. She does have a serial number as well. YSL, you do have to check out for their serial numbers, yeah. Yeah, and she's a satin finish with all these pretty sequins. Okay, the only thing that this bag that told its age was this satin here is a bit discolored, but other than that, you know, the sequins are all still intact, and I think she's been hardly used at all. So I'm thinking of doing a small DIY project on this bag. I saw a YSL embellished bag with sequins and crystals. I will show you the picture right here, right now. And I was thinking perhaps I might, you know, do some DIY and put some sequins, some embellishment, Swarovski crystals, something along the borders here, so that, you know, it will hide the discoloration. But I'm still thinking about it. I mean, so stunning, you know. And yeah, this is definitely an arm candy. You see, so nice. Okay. I don't know if it can go on my. Oh yeah, it can go on my shoulder too. So yeah. So there we go, guys. So this is a pretty Mombasa bag from YSL, and yeah, I hope you enjoyed this quick review of my YSL bags, my YSL haul that I recently did on the pre-love market. And yeah, go get yourself some beautiful finds on the pre-love market, because circular fashion is the way of the future. Reduce, reuse, and recycle. So thank you, ladies and gentlemen, for viewing this video, and thank you for your support for Lee Beauty, and I hope to see you in my next video, right? I'm thinking about doing something a little bit different, maybe something about my passion in pageantry and how to win a pageant. And yeah, do keep an eye out for that new vlog. So we'll see you. Have a great weekend, and bye bye. Do like and subscribe, don't forget.